What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to review a few things today. We're going to review the taxable account. We're going to review my day trading gains on the year. And then we're going to go over what stock that I have been continuously buying and that I think is a good potential entry. So now, just showing you real quick, we have Nike. What you have over here is the current value, what it's listed at, the last price, today's gains and losses, total gain and losses, quantity of shares that I own, the percentage of the account, and the cost basis. So Nike will start off, makes up 1.99% of this account. It's about almost $500. As you can see, I'm up 1% with a 73.22 cost basis. These are all long-term holds. Starbucks, 3.48%. I'm almost at $1,000 at a cost basis of 81.61, and it's down 7%. That's my biggest loser. Alibaba, $72, 2% of the account, and I'm up $38, about 7.44%. Tesla, $500, 3.2 shares, and I'm up 34% on them, $172. Then you have Home Depot, which is only $250. I've been waiting to add on them, but I'm just up at 8%, and I don't want to add the extra $250 while I'm up 8%, so I'm still waiting. Then you have my growth fund, which makes up almost 90% of the account, which these two eventually will just fuse together. So as you can see, I have $18,175 invested and this one $2,000 invested. So it's over $20,000 invested in this large cap growth fund. Now, if you're wondering what it is totally invested in, you can see it right here on the right side. And it is 56% is in Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon. And I don't like that Tesla only has a 1.89% allocation towards it. So that's why you see I have in the portfolio at 2.54%. I'm trying to get this up to about 4% of the portfolio. So I'll have almost 6% invested in Tesla as well. This taxable portfolio is up to $26,523. We lost some money today. The market went down and we are up 14% on the year. Now, what I do is I buy $250 worth of FSPGX every single Monday and continue to add, as well as buying shares of individual stocks that I like to own that I think are good prices when they are on the dip. Now, let's quickly jump over to the day trading gains so you can see that. All right, so you're going to see here year to date right now, we're up $44,333 day trading. Biggest gains on the year is Tesla. These two right here, you can see almost $9,000. Nvidia, I've made almost 20,000 so far. We have one account we made 17,000, the other account we made almost 2,600 on them. Chipotle, we made 4,400 on them. I made a video on that as well. So totaling up to 44,000. So we're doing well day trading. I don't know if I made any trades in the last business day. Oh, I did. I made a trade on Nvidia and made $493, so that was nice. So we're doing well day trading on the year. I wanted to show you just looking at Nvidia because I think that there is a potential buy opportunity with an easy stop loss to keep in mind that I just wanted to show. So I'm going to get rid of the volume, the RSI. I don't think that's important. I think what you need to do is just focus on the actual chart and see what it's doing and telling you. So if you look at the 1 month, you can see that we've had some crazy volatility, but I do believe that there is room here for a simple bounce off of 100. And 100 is your stop loss. So we had some extreme volatility where Nvidia went from 101 all the way up to 121, and then it sold all the way down back to about 102. So technically, it is holding this 100 level. Now, if it doesn't hold it and it just breaks, 100 is your stop loss. But I'm not against buying shares in this general area, keeping $100 as your stop loss, because if it breaks $100, it's going to 97, which is the next support level I'll show you. But for a move all the way back up to about 115, I can definitely see a potential, because if you zoom out on the chart, you can see that there is support at the 97 level that definitely is worth looking at for a bounce. And the reason I say that is because you have it right in this zone right here. I'll zoom in so you can see it. Right here is clear bounces of resistance at 97, resistance at 97. And that's why I think we've been getting this support here at the $100 level, mainly because this is psychological support at 100, but you also have this 97 right here to support it. So definitely keep an eye out on Nvidia, and you have earnings August 28th. And these stocks usually tend to, move up towards their earnings. So I just think, follow a stop loss. I think there's definitely potential here for Nvidia to make a move up, and I think you could easily control your profit loss ratio on this. Just to show you real quick, it's just easier to see on Nvidia on the Webull chart, but you can clearly see if you just go by the 1 day on this. Let me move this over so it's clear for everybody. You can clearly see that they are holding this area right here at the 101 level. And looking at the 1 month, it just looks clear as day. This is a low, but this is like pretty much a higher low. And potentially we could make a move now if we can hold this level back up to about 120, get that 12% gain back, and that'll retest it. I could see realistically the 17% because you do have 117 because you have it right here, your resistance. So there definitely is potential for that move. You just have to wait and see how it plays out on Monday. But definitely keep that stop loss 100. This is an easy number. You got the low right here. You can see 100.01. Cut your loss. No big deal. And then you clearly have support here at this 97 level. If it wants to go down, it's going to go down. There's nothing we can do about it. But I do think that with the earnings coming up, we have a potential where I'm thinking, this is what I'm thinking. Before earnings, August 28th, we could make a move back up from 106 to about 130 before earnings, the end of August. And then we'd either decide to sell off or go to the moon. All right, thanks for tuning into the channel, guys. Be sure to check out the playlist, the investing ideas where I post this video, trading P&L 2024, the long-term portfolio, which I just showed, trading strategies I use, my long-term investments, my Fidelity index funds and ETFs that I like to review once a week at least, and then Vanguard investments for those that are in Vanguard, and then just the Fidelity Active Trader Pro is what I was just showing to map out my chart analysis and make my trades on. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you liked it. Definitely hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and share the channel if you feel like you found something of value. And until next time.